Hey guys, let's talk about a new problem in dynamic programming, which is called partition equals subset sum. Okay, so here you would be given one array, which is called, let's say the array is 1, 5, 11 and 5, and you need to divide this array into two equal partition where the sum for both the array would be equal. So for example, I can divide it in 1, 5, 5. This is one partition, and second one is this one, 11. So 11 and 11, the sum would be equal. So here, do you remember we have solved one problem which was target sum in dynamic programming, right? This is the ditto same problem. Okay, here we will convert this problem into that problem. How? See, we know that subset sum 1 is equal to subset sum 2. Okay, it means that subset sum 1 plus subset sum 2 is equivalent to total sum, right? So this 11 plus 11 is equal to total sum was 22, right? So it means that let's say S1 plus S2 is equivalent to total sum of the array, right? Then so S1, now both are equal, so 2S1 you can say them. Okay, total sum. So S1 will be equal to total sum divided by 2. Now this one became the target sum problem, where target is equal to total sum divided by 2. That's it, right? So here you just need to check one thing. See, you're dividing array into two equal parts, so it's a total sum should be even, right? If it is odd, then you cannot divide it. We are not taking here point values. Okay, so it's if total mod 2 is not equal to 0, okay, then it means it is odd number, so it is not possible. Otherwise your target will be total divided by 2, and this is the same problem of target sum, right? The ditto. So here you will take that element, or either you will exclude that element, or you will take that element. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.